Hellcat, no. KDM, FZ, I don't know. F if I knew, and I don't know, so F me. Sue me, don't sue me. Sue me only if you love me. A BMW with the big girls, ugly. Mustang, get a new one. Lexus, it's alright. Mercedes, family car, cool. U-turn, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. Drift, a little bit. No, no drift. No, okay. Be boring then. Be boring then. Open, sir. Thank you. I couldn't wait any longer. Had to remind them in the back who runs these streets. It's me. It's your boy Cyan. It's cringe. Hopped in this hole and we've all faded. Up in the club we all... I keep wanting to say gated. Doesn't make sense. I must not be garbage at rapping. I used to write rap. Short attention span. Sue me. Don't sue me. Sue me when you love me. So cringe. Souped up a Corvette. I thought it was blue and it was green. Oh, it was green. Sorry, Tesla. I know you want your space to be all alone. But I'm going to be so fast that it's not even going to bother you. Trust me. I'm just going to blaze through. I'm going to blaze through. So you don't have to even worry that someone's in your lane. I'll be so quick. Trust me, Tesla. I'll even switch lanes when I'm up ahead. I'll switch lanes. Homie trying to act tough in the back. Homie, you're shorty looking at me. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa con queso? Con queso, ¿qué pasa? There you go, Tesla. F with that lane all you want, homie. I ain't trying to get up in that crib. Dude, I am so tired. I can't even tell you how tired I am. I am beyond tired. It is a very hot day, but I am very, very tired. Tired beyond belief. Want that good cushion alcohol? Turn. She's too busy staring at me. Open, sir. Por favor, amiga. There you go. Pleasantries. Look at that, it's so beautiful right there. El montaña con qué? Scary? Sorry about that. Oh my god, it smells like ass. El montaña con queso de grande culísimo. Being mixed breed, I can say things like I want to. Oh, she was shortly blazing it. But you got 3 kids in that car. Should you be blazing it? You got 3 kids in that car. You can't get my attention. My love, it's locked for you, girl. It's locked. L-O-C-K-E-D. But you're never gonna get this deep. Broly, I got kids. Broly, I got kids. Broly, I got kids, man. What the hell is she doing? I got kids. I mean, I don't have kids. What if I had kids? This entire time, what if I was riding around with kids and you guys just never knew? Never knew. What up, cuz? Young blood. You look in the back seat. So I throw him the gang signs. I threw him the gang signs. He threw him right back. 2 up, 2 down. Get jiggy with. My Dragon Balls are not for. Oh my god. So, my Dragon Balls are not for pain. What is it called? Macho-ish? I can't think. When you like pain. Misogyny? Masochist? Masochist? Kiss me, don't kiss me. Kiss me, don't kiss me. 2 up, 2 down. Cool. So I threw some dirty gang signs at you guys. Some dirty gang signs. You want to see one big gang sign that I always do? Kamehameha gang sign. Sir, there's a lane for a reason. I don't trust these hoes. Homie, you wearing a face mask in a car. Ain't nobody. And you were your kid wearing a face mask too? God damn. Oh, wait. Could be an Uber. But who would get into a pedophile van for an Uber? Maybe that guy. I don't know. But I thought it was a kid in the back. Sir. Chica. Chica! God damn. You a foot away from your goddamn steering wheel and you still about to run me over. Con queso? De grande culísimo? Call me con queso. Call me that from now on. Saying con queso. That sounds so cool. You guys ever use stuff when you're pleasuring? Not yourself, but like, that came out so wrong. When you're having that goody fun time, are you guys ever using edibles? I'm curious. And if you are, don't even talk to me. Because if you eating that, you ain't eating ass. If I ever ran for presidency, I'd be pro booty. Eating booty. Protein, man. And how else would you show love for something you love? You love food, right? What do you do to food, huh? What do you do with food? You love it, right? What do you do with it? You eat it. Same thing. Same principles apply here, homie. That is one ugly car. Jeep, you made the ugliest truck slash not a truck slash garbage. So this mirror doesn't vibrate as much, although this one does, maybe because I'm not holding it. There you go. I'm a detective. Sign me up for the NYPD, homie, of the Mexicana version of that. Soft cases like this. You know what? I'm gonna give you guys a swirly. Not like that, but you go like that, and then you pop it like that on your waist. There, you guys just learned a new dance move. You scrubs! I taught you guys a new dance move. You do it near your waist, alright? You pop, you make a swirly, you pop it, you turn. No, man! Oh. God damn, son, I was finna act a fool up in this hole. Calling card, man. Finna act a fool up in this hole. I gotta go home and lay down in a bubble bath. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of nothing but me talking, as always, because that's all we're ever gonna do on this channel. I'm not interested in anything else. Alright, I got Backstreet Boys playing. I'm gonna enjoy it. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy it. So I love you guys more than anything. Subscribe only because you love me, because I love you, and I'm out. Peace.